We're here at the South by premiere for Chasing Summer. We're going to talk to the cast and the producers and everyone involved in this incredible Texas-based film. So let's get to chatting. One thing I really love about this film is how it hones in on hometowns and kind of like what that means to each of us. How did it maybe make you reflect on your own hometown by being a part of this film?
Well, it made me really appreciate my hometown friends. I'm from Chicago, and I'm still very close to my friends from grade school and junior high and high school and college. So I really love coming home, and it also made me realize how sometimes people see you in a way that you don't see yourself, where they're like, Aimee, you're so busy, or that I'm like, I'm never too busy for my hometown girls. So it also like reminded me that things never change.
Right.
I just had like my best friends from high school over, and it was like no time had passed, and I just feel like there's nothing like that history between people. You know, when you used to be a kid and ride your bike and just have a good time climbing trees and building forts.
I love hearing that because while not everyone is as lucky to have a positive feeling about their hometown, I feel the exact same way. My people at home root me and keep me grounded so hardcore. So I think it's really special and it means a lot. Now, I know this cast has a lot of good energy. So what's maybe a favorite on-set memory of yours?
Oh my goodness, so many. I guess, well, it was very hot. We did shoot in St. Louis, so we would be fanning each other, which I thought was very, very sweet with our little fans. But I can't think of like one memory. I feel like we were maybe with these girls, they're just so sweet. Like we were choreographing our moves kind of like Heather's style, and that was really fun. But just, I don't know, Eliza would like wake up even though her call time was 4 a.m. and she'd go to Pilates at like 3 in the morning.
Couldn't be my journey.
I mean, definitely. I am not a morning person.
No.
But, and then Tom, you know, I worked with on Lucifer, so that was so fun. So I just feel like it was like camp.
Yeah.
It literally was like summer camp.
Yeah. I love that this film is playfully titled Chasing Summer. What's your favorite like go-to summer activity?
I just really like family barbecues. I'm like really close to my family, so I do love doing that. I don't know. I feel going to the Cubs game is really fun.
Yeah.
So I'm lucky enough to get to throw out the first pitch when I go home, or you know, lead the 7th inning stretch.
Yeah.
So that's always fun because the Cubs weren't always good.
Come on.
I mean, it was a painful way to be
a lot of deserved
Chicagoan.
praise at this point.
Woo,
Yeah.
you know, but we did win a World Series, so in my lifetime, so I'm very grateful. But I would say going to a Cubs game because I'm very nostalgic for that. My parents' first date was at a Cubs game,
that's so
and every time I always take my dad to the Cubs game for his birthday. So I would say summer Cubs game.
Yeah, I love that. Okay, really quick, final question. What does it mean to you to be back here in Austin and be at South by for this film?
I am so excited. It's my first time. So I have never been here before, and I feel very much at home. I landed, and literally a group of people who I've never met were like, I love you from Cadet Kelly. And it was like this beautiful Mexican family, and I just felt so proud to represent my Latino community, and it was like a welcoming committee I didn't know that I needed. And we spoke Spanish, we spoke English, we spoke Spanglish, and it was lovely. And I said, oh, I feel like, I'm not Texan, I'm from Chicago, but I felt home.
Yeah, you're home. I love that. Well, welcome to Austin and congrats on the film. Thank you so much. For more from all of our South by Southwest coverage and more content from A-List, visit KXAN.com and follow us on social media.